up, Irene?
What's up,
What's
Irene?
Yeah, we're out here. We're about to go to, where are we about to go again? I don't remember the name. Pinnacle Overlook. And it's going to be so cool. So, let's go. We finally made it. So short. Now we're finally here. There's a lot of people though, but it's gonna be hopefully.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully it's cool though. I hope it's like a really amazing view. Hopefully. It better be. We came out here. It better be. Yeah. So we just finished watching it, or seeing the sunset. What do you think? What was your...
So pretty.
So,
One of the prettiest sunsets I've ever seen.
Same. It's like a must go.
For sure.
Yeah.
You have to come back.
Definitely. Because the water's so nice, and you see like the trees and the hills and mountains. It's beautiful. It's like a must go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What he said.
So I'm gonna say this is like top 3 in Maryland, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
Not
It's
beating
not
this.
in Maryland though.
Oh.
It's in PA.
Well, it's close. Well, okay, top 3 in PA and Maryland. We can put both.
Close to Maryland.
Yeah, because it's so beautiful. So
Yeah.
definitely up there. Beats High Rock.
Yeah, for sure.